One of the first ever videos that I posted on my channel was this exact video showing you this dark web technique where I was able to make over $780 in one single day using it, and lately I've been wondering if it's still working and I've been deciding to test it out, but unfortunately this method has gotten too saturated over time because I've seen it on different channels, so I'm guessing it's not working just as well as it was the first time, and that's why in today's video I'm going to show you an improved version of this exact same method where I'm going to show you this dark web technique that you can use yourself to make at least $300 per day just by setting it up without generating any sales at all. Now this is going to be working with zero investment, and without any previous skills or experience, you can replicate this exact same method and you will be able to make some money using dark web as well. Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to be making money without actually selling anything at all, and for that reason we want to go to CPAgrip.com and you want to sign up for your free account. So first of all, go to CPAgrip.com, and to sign up for your free account you want to go to this register section and pretty much just go through this quick sign up form. Just fill in a bunch of your personal information that I really can't do that for you, so you'll have to manage that on your own. And pretty much just two issues people have been reporting to me with signing up for CPA Grip is filling out these important fields like this Skype name right here. For example, if you do not have a Skype account, you don't have to fill it in there. All you have to do is just go ahead and rewrite Skype into something like, for example, Instagram, and you want to type in your Instagram handle. Then the second issue people have been reporting to me is in this publisher type. If you are going to select website/instant or GPT, you will get your account approved instantly, but many of you guys have been choosing this email or other option for some reason and you did not get your accounts approved. So if you're going to be signing up to CPA Grip, I highly suggest that you're going to select website/instant or GPT right off the bat, so you don't have to worry about your account not getting approved. Then just pretty much put in your email address, choose a very strong password, complete the rest of this registration form, and you want to click on register now. Once you're going to register for your account, you just want to log right into it, and once you log into your CPA Grip account, it's going to look something like this. Now pretty much today I haven't been able to generate any revenue yet because I've been testing a bunch of new improvements on some of old methods and they haven't been kicking in yet, so it's going to take just a couple of days, but you don't have to worry about that because what you want to actually do on CPA Grip, instead of going to offer tools, you want to go into monetization tools and select URL/file lockers. Then just pretty much what we are going to do here is create this content locker real quick where we are going to be locking something behind like this captcha locker, and every time somebody is going to complete it, you are going to get paid small amount of money. Now the way this works is pretty much you are going to build your own content locker on CPA Grip using their offers. For example, if you're going to choose from these templates right here, you can see many of these are going to be familiar to you if you have been doing this on some other websites, and one of the most reliable content locking templates I've been using previously is this captcha locker. Now this is very familiar interface people have been seeing all over the internet, so they instantly know that in order to be able to access whatever you are going to promote to them, they have to just fill in this captcha and they will be allowed to do so. But this is not just any regular captcha, this is actually a CPA content locker, and if you are going to go to this show offer manager, you can see right here that all of these offers are going to be displayed for completion, and every time somebody is going to complete it, you are going to get paid these amounts of money. Now pretty much the way this works, you don't have to go to select any specific country for this, because every time somebody is going to click on this content locker from different location all over the world, they are going to get displayed offers from the specific country. If somebody, for example from Australia, is going to click on this locker, you can get paid a lot more money than that. So pretty much you don't have to worry about what offers are going to be embedded into your URL locker. All you want to do is just make sure you are going to create this locker and follow the exact new traffic source that I'm going to show you in today's video. That's going to be working with this method like magic. Now pretty much what you want to do here is just select the template that you want to go with, and you want to customize it a little bit more than this basic stuff. And because the theme of the original video was using dark web, what you want to do here is just go ahead and customize it something like this. You want to name it something just for your own reference, for example like this dark web CPA. You want to customize the text of this button, you want to name it something, for example like dark web CPA just for your own reference. You want to customize the text of the button to click here to access the step-by-step tutorial, and actually there is a reason why you want to use something like this for the button text, which I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds. And for this offer help text, you want to type something like complete an offer below to prove you are not a spam bot. Then in this header text you want to type something like complete the captcha below to continue to the step-by-step guide, okay, and down here what you want to do is just make sure you're going to select the number of offers, at least 5, because that way if somebody from, for example, Australia is going to click on this button, they are going to be shown more offers, and that way you are going to increase the chance for you to make some money. Then just go ahead and select the access time to 1 hour, and what you want to do in this anchor text, you want to retype it into something like after completion you will be redirected to the full step-by-step guide. Then pretty much what you want to do is just hop over to Google and you want to do a quick search for how to access dark web, and what you want to find here is just pretty much like a tutorial or guide that you are going to offer as a solution to the question how to offer dark web. For example, you can go with something like this article from avast.com where you are going to be shown a step-by-step guide how to actually access the dark web right here, where they are going to give you these step-by-step instructions and actually advertise their VPN software in the process. Or you can go with something like this, for example, one of these videos on YouTube that are going to show you how to access dark web. For example, if you're going to open this one up, you can see that this is a very well-made video showing exactly how to access dark web safely and almost risk-free. So this is actually something that you want to provide. Now, because you don't have to create any of these resources yourself, this method is very easy to set up. All you want to do is just click on share and you want to copy the link to this video, go back to your content locker and you want to paste it into this locked URL field. So that means after completing this CPA locker, people are going to be taken to this full video where they are going to be shown this step-by-step guide. All you want to do now is just get the most amount of people to complete this content locker and actually earn some money for you in the process. So pretty much once you're done completing this captcha locker, what you want to do is just go ahead and click on save right here, and your dark web CPA locker is going to be created. What you want to do now is just go ahead and copy the link to this CPA locker, and pretty much what I highly suggest is you are going to change the domain name, because this one is displayed by default and it's pretty much saturated and known by some of the websites as being created by CPA Grip, and they don't like that. So what you want to do is just go through these different domains that you want to choose from. For example, like this optilinklag.com should work very well. And what I'm going to also do is click on this customize URL. So I'm going to rewrite the second part of the URL into something like dark web access guide. Then just click on change, it's going to be created, and all you want to do is just copy this link and save it somewhere where you can access it later, or pretty much just leave CPA Grip open, because now I'm going to show you how to drive the most amount of relevant traffic to the CPA locker. Just head over to TikTok, and what you want to do here is just go to the search bar and you want to do a quick search for the exact same thing that you put to Google, and that's how to access dark web. For this method, as I said before, we are going to be utilizing the views from these different TikTok videos that are getting literally hundreds of thousands, if not even millions of views, completely legally and ethically without breaking any rules at all, without having to create such content ourselves. So pretty much you want to search TikTok for a bunch of these videos showing people how to access dark web, and what you want to pick is one that is going to be as clickbaity as possible. For example, this video right here that has gotten just 11.6 thousand views, but it's looking very high quality, very dark webby, is something that I want to go with for this method, is something that you may want to use for this method. So you want to just browse through TikTok and find a bunch of videos that you want to use yourself, and then pretty much what you want to do is just copy the link to this TikTok and you want to go to Google and you want to search for TikTok downloader. Just hit search on that, and pretty much what you want to do here is just go to this first website that's called snaptik.app, and you want to paste the link to the TikTok right in here. What this website is going to do, it's going to allow you to download the TikTok video to your computer without a watermark, so you can repurpose it and re-upload it somewhere else. Pretty much once you're going to download a bunch of these videos, you want to do this for at least 2 or 3 videos every single day, just for starters, before you actually start getting some traction on the other website that I'm going to show you, where we are going to be uploading them. So what you want to do is just go ahead and choose like 1 or 2 or 3 videos per day, just simply download them to your computer, and then you want to go to Pinterest. If you're going to do a quick search on Pinterest on how to access dark web, you can see you will find a bunch of these different pins promoting something to do with dark web, but most of these are going to be images just showing some very basic info on what dark web actually is and not how to access it safely. And because people are curious about this stuff, because they want to actually know what's hidden on on the dark web, they are going to be looking for guides how to access dark web. And if you are going to provide them with such a step-by-step guide, most of them wouldn't mind just completing a small CPA locker to get to the full tutorial. So what you want to do here, and I highly suggest that you are going to create a brand new Pinterest account for this, because if you are going to be uploading these videos regularly every day for at least a week or two before you actually start getting some views, you don't want to be mixing them with your other Pinterest accounts, because this is a very niche theme and you may want to draw attention to your account that you don't want to be drawing to it. So just go ahead, get yourself a brand new Pinterest account, then you want to click on create and create a new pin, and I'm going to show you how to upload just one of these videos from TikTok to Pinterest just like this, but you want to follow this process for at least 2 or 3 videos per day. And then, if you want, you can just click on publish at a later date and you can schedule them to be released continuously for the whole duration of the week, for example. So you can just pretty much pre-made all these videos in like 1 hour's worth of work, and it's going to be working for you without you having to do anything at all. So just upload the video from TikTok, and you want to just create a simple title for this, something like what is dark web and how to access it safely, ? Then just go to this description and you want to write in there something like this, for example. If you want, just go ahead and post this video right now, and you can copy and paste this exact same text that I've been using myself on Pinterest as a description. Pretty much you want to highlight that accessing dark web is something that's not to be taken lightly, and you highly suggest people are going to check out a step-by-step guide you are going to provide them so they will not get in trouble. You also want to write there something like human verification may be required, so you are going to prime them for the CAPTCHA locker that you have created first, and that's going to increase the chance of them actually completing it. Then you want to go to this destination link and you want to put there the link from CPA Grip to your CPA locker. Just go ahead and copy the link, paste it to the destination link field, and you want to go ahead and add a bunch of tags for your pins as well, so it's going to be easier for people to find. Just go ahead and type in there something like computer basic, computer science, and pretty much a bunch of tags related to IT, tech, computers, dark web, mobiles, and all that stuff. Pretty much you want to create something like this for Pinterest, download video from TikTok, upload it with this description, and you want to put the link to the CPA locker in the destination field, and you just want to post it to Pinterest. But you also want to include the credit for the original creator on TikTok, so you will not get into any trouble with either of these platforms. Once you're going to post a bunch of these pins, they are going to start drawing traffic to your CPA locker, and once the people are going to be completing the offers in there, they will be taken to this YouTube video showing them how to navigate the dark web safely. So actually you are going to deliver on the promise that you have made, but because they have to complete the CPA locker first, you are going to make a small amount of money as well. So just go ahead and do let me know down in the comment section what you think about this method, and if you want to check out a completely different video how to make money online, try clicking on this one and I'm going to see you there.